Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect shapes within your whiteboard presentations on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the given space in your Wrike account with the given whiteboard presentation. So guys, let me draw two shapes and show you how to do it. So click into the shapes tool at the bottom, select one of these or click into more. I will go for standard circle, press and hold left shift to stabilize it, and let me add also a triangle. Draw it with your left mouse, release your left mouse, and that's it. So switch to the select tool here in the bottom left. And then what you want to do is, there's one option, for example, to left click into the given shape, and you will see the connector to the left, top, right, and bottom. Left click into it and release your left mouse over the dock here of the next shape to connect these. So that's one way. There's also the option to use the connector tool here at the bottom. You can click into it or select it with the shortcut X. And then, for example, the cursor will switch to a cursor like this, so that you can now, for example, locate the given dock here, left click into it, and connect it with the next shape like this. So that's it. Now, of course, you can also click into the connector with the select tool and then customize its appearance. Like, for example, change the connector's type, like an elbow or a curved one, or you can add, for example, arrows as ants here, for instance, or a filled square, and so on and so forth. Change the color of the connector, leave comments. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you connect shapes in whiteboard presentations on Wrike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.